હસન બુધવાની સ્કૂલ આવવાનો છે, તું આવીશ તો હું જવાનો છું. ઓકે ઓકે, everyone will come. Okay, so don't worry. This is chapter number 13. We are about to
Yes.
finish. Just only one or two pages are left. Okay, yesterday we did this all. Okay, and we did this as well. Car activity. Okay, have you did this activity at your home?
No, ma'am.
Why?
नहीं आप जो
आपने सबने बोला था मेरे पास तो इतने मैग्नेट्स है, मेरे पास तो इतनी कार्स है, मेरे पास तो ये है, मेरे पास तो वो है.
मैम मैंने ट्राई किया.
किया? यस. Who tried? What is your
मैंने
name,
भी.
बेटा? Yes.
सॉरी बरोबर.
किसने ट्राई किया? जुहैर. ओके. यस. What happened when you tried?
हैन. मैम लेकिन
मैम
उसमें वो नहीं पता चलता कौन नॉर्थ है और किस तरफ साउथ. दोनों तरफ से ट्राई किया और बाद में हुआ.
क्योंकि अपने पास लिखा हुआ नहीं होता है कि ये नॉर्थ है ये साउथ है, इसलिए अपन दोनों जगह पे टच करेंगे तो ही पता चलेगा कि ये अट्रैक्ट हो रहा है कि रिपल हो रहा है.
मैम अगर नॉर्थ नॉर्थ को पास लाए ना तो वो पुल करता है, पीछे जाती है कार. और नॉर्थ साउथ को आता है तो आगे खींचती है.
इट विल बी अ मोर इंटरेस्टिंग गेम. आपके पास टाइम है ना अभी बहुत सारा घर पे खेलने के लिए, यू कैन डू
मैम
दिस एक्टिविटी एंड यू कैन प्ले. यस.
मैम मैम मैंने एक और एक्टिविटी की थी.
विच एक्टिविटी?
मैम डिश में रखे हुए चुंबक नीचे से हिलाते हैं वो वाली.
हाँ. ओके, यू कैन डू इन पेपर as well.
यस मैम.
Now we will start our lesson from here. Okay, a quick caution. Okay. Okay. Let's start. I want. Who will read? Aryan Sheikh. Okay, Aryan Sheikh, can you open your microphone? Razi Abbas Bojani, please open your microphone. Off the microphone, beta. Yes. Aryan Sheikh, can you read it for me? Okay, start reading from here.
मैम
A
इज
few words.
कमिंग.
बेटा आप प्यार से रीड करो, थोड़ा नजदीक आके रीड करो ना प्लीज, बहुत आवाज स्लो हो रही है. जोर से रीड करो. प्रॉपर्टीज heated, hammered, dropped from some height. Properly. Wait, to keep them safe. Bar, bar magnet. This is magnet. Read. Yes, read. Bar magnet should. Yes, start reading. Sorry, who?
Nayani Hussain Ali.
Okay, yes, Nayani.
Magnets should be kept in pairs with tests. Unlike pole on the same side, they must be separated by a piece of
Wood.
wood. While two pieces of soft iron should be placed across. their ends.
Okay, now
The
you have
second
to be very
perspective.
you have to be careful about some points regarding to the magnets. Okay, first point is that you need to, when you know magnet will, when you will heat the magnet or hammered yani ऐसे, when you will heat the magnet, when you hammer the magnet, or when you throw from a with the some height, okay, the magnet will become what you will say, the magnet will lose that property. Okay, so a magnet will not work as much as it was before. Okay, खराब हो जाता है when you heat it, when you hammer it, or when you throw it. Okay, so you need to be very careful about this all things. Okay, and also magnet become weak if it is not stored properly. Okay, when you are storing the magnet and if you didn't store it properly, the magnet will also become weak. Okay, to keep them safe, what we have to do, we have to keep the magnet in pairs. Okay, first in bar magnet को क्या करना है, this is the bar magnet. Okay, we have to put with okay, you should keep in pair the unlike poles at the same side. Okay, you should keep the unlike poles at the same side, and you need to put a piece of wood between it and then a piece of iron at the end of both end. Okay, you need to store it like this. Okay, पहले बीच में wood का piece रखना है and then you have to put soft iron at the end of poles. Now horseshoe magnet. For horseshoe magnet,
Ma'am, can I read 9 lesson?
yes. No, I want no other one. Now who will read? No man. No man.
Yes, sir.
Vakil.
Zaki Wakil Ahmad. Let no man read.
Ma'am, can I read lesson?
Yes, no man. Start reading.
For horseshoe magnet, one should keep a piece of iron across the pole.
Keep magnet
Keep magnet
away.
away from
Cassettes.
cassette, mobile, television, music system, compact
CDs.
CD,
CDs and computers.
and a computer.
Okay, for horseshoe magnet, what you have to do? You have to put a piece of iron at the end of the pulse. Okay, there is no, only just put a piece of iron, so it will be safe when you will store. Okay, now you don't have to put a magnet where these all things are there. Okay, no, because it will lose the magnetism. You don't have to put near the CDs, near, okay, near the CDs, near the mobile phone, near the cassettes, near the music system, near the television. You don't have to put all these things near the magnet. Okay, so when you will put these things, okay, both things will destroy. Okay, so your phones, okay, your
What is
music
it?
system and all these things will also destroy, and your magnet will also lose their properties. Now, summary. Yes, my dear son, start reading first point.
मैं मोहम्मद जकी वकील.
Yes, Zaki Wakil. Okay, first point.
Summary. Magnetite is a natural magnet.
Magnetite, beta. Magnetite is a natural magnet. Okay. When we had started, okay, with the story, how magnet was discovered. First, natural magnet was discovered. Okay. And the natural name of the natural magnet is magnetite. Okay. These points are important. It can come in exam. Okay, so be very careful about this. Magnetite is known as natural magnet. Okay, जैसे नाम होते हैं सब magnets के, horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, okay, ball ended magnet, cylinder magnet. So natural magnet is known as magnetite. Now
Magnet
second, here's
attracts material like iron, nickel, cobalt. These are called magnet materials.
magnetite, magnetic material. Okay, now magnet can attract. Okay, these things can attract magnet: iron, nickel, and cobalt. and these all are known as magnetic material. Okay, those material which attract to the magnet, materials like iron, nickel, and cobalt. These materials is known as magnetic materials. Now, next, materials that are not attracted towards the magnet is known as non-magnetic material. Okay, magnets, materials like wood, iron, wood, iron, wood, leather, rubber, plastic. All these are the example of non-magnetic material. Okay, this will not attract towards the magnet. Now, yes, who will read? Zohair Abbas.
Ma'am, when I'm India, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mehdi Hassan, wait a minute. Okay, let Zohair read and then Mehdi Hassan.
From where?
Each magnet.
Each magnet has two magnetic poles, north and south.
Okay, second point.
A freely suspended magnet always aligns in north-south direction.
Okay, each
Opposite
magnet.
pole.
Okay, wait. Each magnet has two magnetic poles. So, north pole and south pole. And when you suspend, okay, when you freely suspend, लटका दोगे मैग्नेट को और फिर रोटेट करोगे और फिर उसको रेस्टिंग पोजीशन में आने दोगे तो it will come in north south direction only. Okay. Now Madhi Hassan.
Yes.
Yes, Madhi Hassan.
Each magnet,
Last one.
each opposite pole of two magnets attract each other, whether similar pole repel one another.
Okay. Now, opposite poles of magnet attract each other, whereas similar poles repels. You know that opposite poles will attract and similar pole will repel. Means so opposite होगा north south will attract. Okay, north south will north pole and south pole will attract. South pole and north pole will attract. But when you keep near north pole and north pole, then it will repel. Okay, and when you keep south pole and south pole, then it will repel. Okay, so opposite points attract and same poles, similar pole repel with each other. Now exercise. I want who will answer me? Azim. Who did it first?
Yes.
Yes, Azim, I'm waiting. Okay, Aliazar Rajani, can you open your microphone and read it for me?
Yes, ma'am. Fill in the blanks.
Artificial magnet.
In shapes
First, read it properly, beta. Artificial magnet.
artificial art dash dash. The material which are reflected towards the moon
बेटा मैं फर्स्ट रीड करने को बोल रही हूँ ओके नॉट सेकंड वन
Okay, ma'am. Shear magnets are made in different shapes such as dash, dash, and dash.
ओके आंसर दो मुझे चलो आर्टिफिशियल मैग्नेट्स आर मेड इन डिफरेंट शेप। ओके, मैंने आपको कितनी बार लिख लिख के बताया कि इसको ये मैग्नेट कहते हैं, इसको ये शेप को ये मैग्नेट कहते हैं, ये शेप को ये मैग्नेट कहते हैं। यस, बताओ आंसर, बताओ असगर। यस जोहर।
यस मैम।
आंसर।
बार मैग्नेट,
यस।
ball ended magnet,
यस।
and wait a minute.
ये
Ma'am,
मैग्नेट को
one
क्या
can I
कहते
Muhammad Fazil?
हैं? यस फजील।
Cylinder magnet.
Very good. Okay, ball-ended magnet and cylinder magnet are same. Okay, just difference in little bit. So we will not write ball magnet. Okay, but we will write first bar magnet.
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait, the next one. Bar magnet. Then cylinder magnet. You can write horseshoe magnet. Horseshoe magnet. And then cylinder. You can write it as a cylindrical magnet. CYLINDRICAL magnet. Okay. Now next one. Yes, sorry, Mohammed Fazil.
Muhammad Fazil.
Second one.
The materials which are attract towards a magnet are called
Yes, are called. Yes. Which type of material is called? Yes,
the
beta, your voice.
materials which
Your
are
voice.
the material which are attract towards a magnet are called
Magnetic material.
magnetic material.
Okay. So it is MAGNETIC, magnetic material. MATERIALS, material, magnetic
Huh?
material. Yes.
આમાં આન્સર નથી હું યાદ કરતો હતો.
Okay. Next, third one. Yes, Azim.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I say Muhammad Fazil only?
Okay. No, beta, I want another person to read it, please. I want Abja Lakhani. Lakhani, open your microphone. Yes, Lakhani.
Yes,
Can you read it? Third point, third fill in the blanks for me, please.
yes. Paper is dash, not a dash material.
Yes. Can you answer me? What is the paper? Is it magnetic material or non-magnetic material?
Not magnetic material.
Okay. So paper is not a. We can write. हमको दिया गया कि पेपर क्या नहीं है? Magnetic material नहीं है, right? Not a magnetic material. So it is magnetic material. Next, in olden days, yes, now I want Tokia, Azim. Barucha है? Who has opened the microphone? Yes, Ghazi Abbas Bhojani. Yes, Zishan Merchant, can you open the microphone for me, please?
Yes.
Can you read number 4th?
Order is prices. They
Your voice is not clear. I think so. Your network is not clear, beta. Yes. Can you read it again? Yes, merchant, Zishan?
Yes.
Your voice wasn't clear, beta.
Okay.
Can you change your data, please? Bit.
In olden days, sailors used to find directions by suspending a piece of dash.
Dash. Yes. Can you say me what is answer?
I don't know it.
Okay, don't worry. Yes. Who will answer me?
Ma'am, can I say Muhammad Fazil?
Yes, Fazil.
Magnet.
Yes, magnet, because magnet shows us north-south direction. Okay, so when they shows north and south direction, they will understand all the direction. Okay, so in people when compass wasn't discovered, okay, before then mm, magnet. Next, yes, it is now is where this is very easy.
Ma'am,
You
can
will
I
read.
maybe ask an answer?
Oh, dear Sanla, your turn is there. Okay, I want Risha, Taki Keshwani to open the microphone. Taki Keshwani, Raza Abbas.
A magnet always has dash poles.
Yes, how many
Two
points?
poles.
2 poles, very good. 2 poles. Now, true or false? लास्ट अब जो 2 poles बोला वो किसने आंसर दिया था? What was the name?
Ma'am,
किसने बोला
last
था?
answer.
किसने दिया था लास्ट? Say me your name.
Yes,
Name.
Zapas.
Raza Abbas. Okay, Keshwani. Okay, fine. Now, I want to answer. Who will answer me? Uh, Rajani Aftab Raza. Acha, Aftab Raza. Can you open the microphone? Yes, Aftab Rajani. Don't make any kind of noise, okay? Yeah, now always have it quick. Can you open the microphone and read first true or false?
Ma'am, can I now
Hmm.
study Muhammad Fazil?
Fazila, please
Can I continue?
let everyone read. Okay. Yes. Are you there, beta Nakvi? Nakvi, you there, beta? Can you hear my voice? Can you open your microphone?
Woman,
Yes. Can you read the first true or false?
ma'am, Fazil Nayani or Fazil Asaria?
Fazil Nayan.
yes.
Yes. Start reading first point.
State whether the following statement true or false.
Yes. Question number 1.
A cylindrical magnet has only a one pole. False.
Yes, true, false. Yes, false. It is because every magnet is having 2 poles. Yes. Now, I want, yes. Ghazi Abbas Bojani,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read the second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 2.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 2. So true or
I am
false number
reading.
2. Artificial magnet
Artificial magnet are
where do
discovered
discover- discovered and
in Greece.
great
True or false?
in this. Uh, true.
True, yes. Very good. Yes,
Ma'am,
Dishan,
is that a false?
it is true.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Dishan. Can you read it for me? Third one.
yes. Similar poles of magnet repel each other.
Yes, it's true or false.
True.
Yes, see, as I told you that similar points always repel each other and opposite points always attract each other. So answer will be true or false. Yes, Dishan.
True.
True. Yes. True. The answer will be true because similar, as I told you, that if north pole of one magnet and north pole of the other magnet will come together, come near, it will repel each other. It will push. Okay. And if the opposite pole, for example, if the north pole of one magnet and south pole from the another magnet will come near, then they will attract each other. Okay. So this is the rule of magnetism. Number fourth. यस अब कौन रीड करेगा फजील
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Can I?
Namaskar.
Muhammad Fazil.
नमस्कार जोर बस.
Maximum
मेरे पास
iron
नेक्स्ट वन
filling stick in the middle of a bar magnet, which it is both
व्हेन
near
इट इज ब्रॉट
magnet where it is both near them.
ओके
Poles.
false okay so what will be the answer maximum fillings will stick where it will stick in the middle or in the side poles
Pole.
yes it will in the bar magnet okay bar magnet is this let me just show you okay here this okay this is a bar magnet okay and the maximum fillings iron fillings are attracted in the sides of in the poles of the magnet okay so it will be false now yes Zuhair
Yes, ma'am.
fifth one
Number 5. Bar magnet always point toward north-south direction. True.
yes true false true
True.
true yes now who will read Madi Hasan Madi Hasan Mohammad Zaki Wakil okay
Compass can be used to find east-west direction at any place.
yes true false ट्रू बेटा कंपास में अगर नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन दिखाते हैं तो हमको ईस्ट वेस्ट भी पता चल जाता है कि उसकी ये नॉर्थ है तो ये साउथ है तो ये ईस्ट है तो ये वेस्ट है राइट सो इट इज ट्रू लेट मी शो यू दिस इज कंपास ओके सो इन दिस कंपास this is north south so you can you know where is east and west okay easily right
Yes.
okay so answer will be true
East west not.
Next, last one. Rubber is a magnetic material. True, false?
False.
False, yes. Okay. So, till today we are finishing this much. Okay. So, tomorrow we'll continue our exercise.
Ma'am,
Okay. And
is
after finishing, I'll give you the notes. Okay. In school. When you will
ma'am,
come? Yes.
ma'am, in online not give. In real
Okay.
school give.
Okay. Okay, done. So, when we'll meet, inshallah, on 18, we'll give you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Khuda Hafiz.
Bye.
Bye bye, ma'am.